I always look at things as if I were the patient. It's not based on money or does your insurance cover it. Here's what I would do knowing the facts if I were you. Hi, I'm Joe Gaspari and I practice at Penn Dental Arts here in Bethlehem, Pennsylvania. We had a family friend who was a periodontist, and I was really fascinated by what he did because he did surgical things. I grew up in a small town in New Jersey, in Lambertville. I went to the University of Notre Dame as an undergraduate. I went to the University of Pennsylvania as a dental student. I became friendly with one of the deans of the school. He wrote like the Bible of periodontics, and that was really, really rewarding. And then to Temple University to get a surgical certificate in periodontics. I established this practice about 40 years ago. I wanted a group practice whereby we had all the specialists together so they can give you a more comprehensive, cohesive treatment plan. As a periodontist, my specialty is to retain teeth for a lifetime. Our goal is first to keep your teeth as long as possible in a healthy state, and two, to do any kind of surgical things to make you look better aesthetically. I learned most of what I do today after I get out of school. Whatever I found interesting, I did. I love to learn. I love to have new technology for patients, and that's been my philosophy.